Hello, everyone, and welcome to this chapter consisting of analyzing or reviewing, exploring this case study related with supply chain technology. As you can see in the title, is about optimizing frozen food transportation, and the case study explored about how frozen food transportation company leverage technology like ERP systems, GPS, and IoT to optimize their operations to make sure the product arrives in good conditions, good quality, higher efficiency, and less waste. So let's go there. First, let's review the challenge of the company when transporting frozen foods. We can say that this company within the logistics industry specializes in the transportation of frozen food across vast distances. It's very crucial to maintain optimal temperature, humidity throughout the journey to ensure that the product arrives in good conditions, safe, and good quality level. However, the company had a legacy systems that means lack of real-time visibility and data-driven insights, and that makes difficult always to make sure that the product keeps the high quality level. Just to give an example, can be like doing manual temperature checks, or for example, when you have no planning road system, so always creates impact or potential fluctuations with reading temperature. Also, it can be like a lack of planning delivery system, makes inefficient use of planning routes, leading to increased fuel consumption, to give an example, or also to have delivery delays. Also, reduce food waste. It may lead to spoilage due to variations in temperature of product, and always that causes financial losses and even environmental impact. So let's review what can the company implement just to improve that challenges. For example, is like a implementation of enterprise resource planning, or also ERP, that a cloud-based ERP system streamlines all the operations or business operations. Just to mention some of the functions are order management, inventory control, or financial transactions. But basically, it's important to mention is a centralized platform. It provides real-time data and product movement on stock levels and also delivery schedules. We can also mention GPS tracking. It's about providing real-time GPS installed on all the refrigerated vehicles. That allows the company to monitor the location of each shipment and ensure that the deliveries are working on time. If not, there is always the possibility to track any delay and in a proactively way, just communicate with customers or other partners. And the other implementation is also about IoT, or Internet of Things, in which the sensors are placed within different locations in the containers, refrigerated containers. So these sensors are monitored in continuously, and all critical variables, like for example, temperature or humidity, can be tracked. And on top of that, the data is transmitted wirelessly in real time to the cloud platform and always offers insight into the product environment throughout the journey. Let's review now about the results after all these implementations. On one side, we can say that the ERP system provides valuable data for performance analysis and always allowed to identify opportunities for improvement, like, for example, gaps in the uh, financial system or excess of cost in some road. Also allows to get optimized logistics and reduce food waste. Basically, data-driven route planning based on real-time location and traffic information reduce, just to mention, the fuel consumption or delivery times, to mention some of the examples. Also, we can say that minimized spoilage lead to significant cost savings and also reduction on CO2. We can also mention there is an increase in product quality. We have a real-time temperature and humidity monitoring that ensures that it always keeps the temperature and the product in the optimal range. And of course, we can mention the optimization in customer service. There is an option or opportunity to have communication based on GPS tracking and always ensure customer satisfaction because don't have potential temperature variations. As a conclusion, we can say that logistics companies demonstrate the transformation of power technology in the frozen food supply chain by combining ERP systems for centralized control or GPS for real-time tracking, and also IoT or Internet of Things for in-transit monitoring. So the company can achieve higher levels of efficiency, also improve customer service, and also reduce environmental impact. The case study highlights how technology can create that win-win situation for both the business, but also for the consumers. I really appreciate you being here, and I hope this chapter really chilled you out. See you in the next chapter.